Okay guys, back with another video. So today on this video, we will be amending the soil on the trees. Most of the trees already have blooms on them, so that's a good time to go ahead and start amending the soil on the trees. I got my little pH meter here, y'all. It's finna get ready to rain shortly. And right now, we are at a 3 in the red on dry. So, a good time to amend the soil. So, what we're using, first of all, hey everyone, if you have not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thumbs up this video. Share this video if you would like. Now, let's jump right on into the video. So, this is what I'm using. I love Dr. Earth. I use them on my vegetable garden, but now they have this fruit tree fertilizer, so we're gonna use this. And of course, already on top, if you can see where it's dark, it's not that it's wet. That's my earthworm castings. I love earthworm castings. They real good. So we just gonna jump right on into it, y'all. The best time to fertilize, like I said, is when you start getting your blooms or your plant is trying to put out some kind of veg, some kind of leafy green. That means it's waking up. And when it wakes up, it's hungry. So we're gonna top them off with some of this good stuff. And the feeding schedule is every 3 months. So it's the middle of March now. So this March, April, May, June. The middle of June, I will come back and do the same thing again for the trees. I'm doing 3 handfuls. That's like 3 cups. And I'm just working it in. I don't have to water it in, because like I said, it's gonna rain. And you just want to work it in. I don't like to use synthetic foods on my vegetables. So I know I'm not going to use it on my my trees. And y'all, I've been calling nurseries all week trying to find citrus. They was like, well, spring is almost here. We're going to have some. Shit, I found this Satsuma orange tree. Hell, it was cold outside. But soon as I can find me some lemons and limes, you know I want 2 of each. So I'm going to get 2 lemons, 2 limes, and probably another orange tree. Okay, so we got all that worked in, y'all. And if you watch my other videos, you see what all I use in my garden. Those are the same things I use all the time. I'm just now recording it. Just now starting to record. So we're just going to put us a little mulch on top. And that's another reason why you don't fill your containers all the way to the top. Because you have to keep coming back, amending the soil. Normally I do this with a little rake. But I'm just trying to go ahead on and get it done before it starts raining, y'all. And then I got a few more things to do. in the garden, but they won't get done today. But I'm sure I'll get them done this week. And over time, it's gonna compress back down. And then around that time, it'll be time to amend the soil again. And y'all, did Dr. Earth be so stinky in the summertime? It bring flies. But this stuff is some good. And a little goes a long way. Okay, so that's it for the Satsuma. And we're going to move on down to the next one. Okay, guys, we moving right along. Right along. I said this ain't like everybody children outside today. So y'all excuse all that in the background. So my neighbor just came and asked me, right? They always ask me stuff about my vegetables and stuff. But this year I got trees, right? So my neighbor just came and asked me. He was like, I see you got you some trees out there. He said, what kind of trees you got? So I told him what kind of trees I got, y'all. He gonna say, ooh, Lord. He gonna say, you know those trees get big, don't they? I said, yeah, they gonna get as big as I allow them to get. All you got to do is prune your trees down. That's all you got to do. Like, is it so hard to get out here and cut your tree down some? It's still gonna grow. When I first got these, I pruned what I wanted to prune off of them and left what I wanted. See, I don't have any trees in my backyard. All my trees are behind my house. I don't have any trees in my backyard. And then I was thinking about putting 2 in the front yard. But these children around here so damn bad, y'all. And see, if I catch somebody playing in my plants, we're going to have a problem. Somebody say, ooh, they going to get big. Well, yeah. But it's all in how you train your plants and your trees. All right, y'all, I'm finna finish this one on up and then we're gonna move on down the line. So give me a couple of tips. And you know what, y'all? Folks that be looking at me like I'm crazy because I be growing my own vegetables and I'm starting the trees and Lord knows I might get me 4 chickens. They be looking at me crazy and be the main one asking, can they get some vegetables or fruit? You hear me? Be the main ones. But guess who ain't got to go to the grocery store? Me. Y'all, it's starting to sprinkle. It's starting to sprinkle. It's the ground soft. The little kids gonna say, Miss April, we like your plants. And I'm still gonna move them, like spread the trees out. It's just, I'm trying to see what I want to do. Like what kind of layout I want. Once I figure out what kind of layout I want, everything will pretty much fall into place. But yeah, they're gonna be looking crazy when I get them 4 chickens. But I don't care. I do what makes me happy. Me growing food, it really makes me happy. It's very therapeutic for me. and the reward in the end be worth all this. And they think I got a lot of trees now. Wait till I add them citrus. Wait till I go get them citrus, honey. Alright, child. Give me a couple of ticks because it's getting a little too loud out here. Alright, my loves. I have finally made it to the last tree. It's work, y'all, but it is so rewarding. Three handfuls. And caress that goodness on in. I try to stay as close to organic as possible. I mean, in my opinion, the best organic is some kind of manure. But I don't have any animals around here yet. So, Dr. Earth has been good to me and my crops these last couple of years. So, we'll use them. But yes, y'all, I am super duper excited for the garden this year. If you guys have not already started growing your own food of some sort, please go ahead and start. I don't care if you're in an apartment. Put some shit on the porch or on the patio. Or the nearest windowsill or something. It is very, very rewarding. And that's going to be the end of this video, guys, on fertilizing your trees, your fruit trees. Oh, these children, y'all. These children. Gonna be the end of this. But it's always work to be done in the garden. Always work to be done. And I got a long way to go, y'all. But I'm ready. I'm ready for it. Wherever it takes me, I'm ready. Okay, y'all, I'm done with this one. And that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thumbs up the channel if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Share this video if you would like. And I will see you lovely people in the next video. Peace.